When preparing for an engineering interview, it's essential to consider the types of questions that may be asked. While it's impossible to predict every question, there are some common ones that can help direct the conversation towards your strengths, interests, and career goals. For instance, you may be asked why you want a career as an engineer, which gives you the chance to discuss your background, interests, and motivations. When answering this question, it's crucial to provide some background on what sparked your interest in engineering. Explain why you chose your specific major, and describe why you're applying for the job. Be sure to show the interviewer the impact you hope to make with your career, whether it's improving people's daily lives or contributing to a specific project. A possible approach to answering this question is to share a personal experience that led you to pursue a career in engineering. For example, participating in a robotics club in high school can be a great starting point, as it allows you to discuss how you developed an interest in programming and applying mathematical and scientific concepts to real-world problems. You can then explain how you chose your major, such as civil engineering, and how it aligns with your interests and career goals. It's also essential to highlight your skills and qualifications, such as your ability to model complex structural systems using programming skills learned in the robotics club. Another common interview question is how you handle unexpected circumstances that disrupt your project schedule or plan. This is an opportunity to demonstrate your adaptability and flexibility, as well as your knowledge of formal project management techniques. You can discuss methods such as re-evaluating the scope, fast-tracking, or crashing the schedule, and explain how you would assess the situation and choose the best approach. For instance, you could describe a situation where re-evaluating the scope or fast-tracking the schedule helped to get the project back on track. Interviewers may also ask about your experience with leadership and teamwork, such as a time when you influenced the outcome of a project by taking a leadership role. This question allows you to showcase your ability to work with others, communicate effectively, and drive a project forward. You can describe a specific project where your idea was critical to its success, and explain how you worked with your team to overcome challenges and achieve the desired outcome. For example, you could talk about a summer internship where you took the lead on researching loan requirements and serving as the primary contact with the state, which ultimately helped the project to succeed. In addition to these questions, you may be asked about a problem you faced recently where you were unsure of the answer, and how you researched and solved it. This is an opportunity to demonstrate your problem-solving skills, including your ability to define the problem, collect data, and analyze possible solutions. You can describe a situation where you used a structured method, such as root cause analysis, to identify the root cause of a problem and develop effective solutions. For instance, you could talk about a situation where conveyor belts were wearing out more quickly than expected, and how you used data collection and analysis to identify the cause and implement a solution. Finally, you may be asked about your long-term career objectives, including whether you see yourself working in engineering 10 years from now. This question allows you to discuss your career aspirations, whether you're interested in pursuing a management or technical trajectory, and how you plan to achieve your goals. You can describe your current interests and skills, and explain how you see yourself growing and developing as a professional in the field. For example, you could talk about your enjoyment of technical design and your plans to learn more about all aspects of working in the engineering field, as well as your potential interest in moving into management or business development in the future.